I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
Brand is developed because a product is good. Product has good quality. The better the brand, the more expensive the brand. It's supposed to be the better the product is, the more expensive it is to create that product. What fiat does is it goes into these brands, a lot of them very old brands. We see this great examples of this in the fashion industry, and they ride out the brand until it dies, gutting the production costs and gutting the product quality. So if you take like any major designer quality good and you compare a product, you go into a store and you buy something brand new today, and then you buy that same product from, say, an old vintage store from even the 90s, which was a much higher standard of quality. As you go back in time, the product quality gets better and better, because the fiat system does not care about the product. It doesn't care about the clients. It doesn't care about anybody using the product. It just cares about inflating, basically sucking as much fiat as it possibly can out of the system. And lots of people think that this is capitalism. Obviously, it's not, right? Because the incentives are totally rearranged because the money is worthless. So all of these giant corporations, they have to get the sales immediately, and they have to make as much money as they possibly can on those sales, because the money that they're earning is just a bucket of melting ice and it's going away. Versus obviously on a Bitcoin standard or any hard money standard, the incentive is to earn the client's sale. And as a buyer, you want to purchase something that you'll never have to repurchase, or take as long as possible to repurchase, or that can be easily maintained and updated. Mm-hmm. A big reason there isn't, I think, like a clear solution to this. I mean, the value for value economy is great, and I think lots of tools will come together to support this. But it's really small right now, but it's definitely going to shift as fiat dies. If you're able to get Bitcoin clients for whatever product or service that you're working on, people who are Bitcoiners are your clients, that's a good sign that your product is of an extremely high quality, because obviously, if I spend the Bitcoin today versus having the Bitcoin tomorrow. Also, this is new and exciting, so a lot of people are buying stuff that's just not very good because it's fun to, we're so used to how shit the fiat economy is, and it's fun to use Bitcoin instead of money at the same time. But what will happen is that because we're running on our own mini gold standard, really, like our mini hard money standard, is that people who are making crap products in the Bitcoin space will just not retain customers for more than the initial sale.